Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I actually want to look at two oil and gas charts that I think are worth keeping on a watch list for you. Now, the first one is Suncor Energy. This is ticker SU. Now, Suncor had a monster move today, up 12% off of yesterday. A monster move for an oil and gas stock. Now, the reason this stock had a big move is an activist hedge fund not only announced a stake in the company, a 3.4% stake, but they also had a letter of things that they want the company to do, and they think that this company has about a 50% upside. So market like that news. Really big volume here today. Some of the biggest volume this stock has had, if I zoom out, in months. And it's always, throughout this entire market volatility, remained in a pretty good uptrend. So it's already in an uptrend, had some good news today, and moved out of a nice, long, consolidative base on heavier than average volume. So this, in my opinion, is a stock you want to watch for a pullback to the moving averages. Now, as you know, breakouts in this market have been tough to buy. It's been hard to buy breakouts. Trust me, I'm a breakout buyer. And a lot of breakouts I've noticed have failed. So I've been forced to buy stocks close to some key moving averages. So that's what I think we should do here with Suncor. Watch for a little bit of a pullback. You know, Dan Fitzpatrick calls this a phase one breakout, and then you have a phase two pullback to the moving averages. And then you get kind of a lower risk entry closer to support. So that's what I would look for here on Suncor. Probably wouldn't want to buy it here today. Even if it goes up again tomorrow, you're kind of chasing a little bit. So I'd look for a little pullback, maybe to the gray line here, which is the 21-day exponential period moving average. Another oil and gas stock I think is worth watching is Cenovus. Now, Cenovus had a big move off of the 21-day, and in the last two sessions is up almost 14%. So again, this one probably want to watch for a little bit of a pullback to support and then start building an entry close to the moving averages. But these are two stocks that are in well-defined uptrends and moving on higher than average volume and are above all their major moving averages. So those kind of stocks, in my opinion, are pretty hard to find in this market, and that's why I think you should keep Cenovus and Suncor on a watch list. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to see what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial. Click the link, and I'll see you on the other side.